Researching the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card? Duane here with How to Build Credit TV, and in this video we're going to be having a look at the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card from Chase. Of course, this is a travel card and I think it's a pretty good one, so we're going to be having a look at that particular credit card in this video. But before we get started, I have a quick. Once again, my name is Duane with How to Build Credit TV, and on this channel we talk about everything you need to know about credit, whether you're looking to establish credit, build credit, rebuild credit, or learn more about the Fico Score and how it is comprised so you can increase your credit score. We also talk about how to get cash back, actual cash money from using credit cards, as well as credit card reviews. If this sounds like something in which you're interested, be sure to subscribe to our channel by clicking the word subscribe below this video to the right, and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so we're going to have a look at the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card. Chase actually has a bunch of different travel cards that they offer, but this one in particular is kind of like a starter card, or not necessarily a starter card, but it's more user-friendly, especially if you're just getting started with the travel credit card. So we're going to have a look at this particular card. Now, this card has no annual fee for the very first year, but then a $95 annual fee after. I think some of the benefits that the card has to offer probably offsets the annual fee, but we'll have a look at that in more detail in just one second. So what I'm going to do is, for this portion of the video, I'm going to jump onto my laptop so we can have a closer look at the website at the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card. So give me 1 second and I'll see you on my laptop. Okay, so we're at the Chase website to have a look at the Chase Sapphire Preferred Credit Card. Now, this is a travel credit card, and as far as I'm concerned, Chase is leading the way in regards to travel credit card. Now, this is just my opinion, of course, right? So let's start here on the left, where it basically tells you, at a glance, premium travel and dining rewards. Earn 2 times points on travel and dining at restaurants. So that's pretty standard. There's nothing special there. As far as APR is concerned, you're looking at between 17.74% to 24.74% variable APR. There's an annual fee after the first year. There is no annual fee for the first year, and then there is a $95 annual fee after the first year. Now, this is something that you definitely want to keep in mind. But if you're going to be traveling quite a bit, this is something that is going to be not a big deal, because if you're using this particular credit card, the Chase Sapphire Preferred Credit Card, then you're going to be accumulating points anyway, and you're going to be using them towards travel or hotel. So the $95 a year is not going to end up being a big deal, because you're going to be using your card quite a bit. So right here on the right, it talks about card benefits. So it says 50,000 bonus points after you spend $4,000 on purchases in the first 3 months from opening your account. That's going to be $625 towards travel when redeemed through Chase Ultimate Rewards. Once again, I think that Chase has the best reward system when it comes to redeeming your points. They're really, really good, and you get a big bang for your bucks, or big bang for your points. It says earn 5,000 bonus points after you add the first authorized user and make your first purchase in the first 3 months from opening your account. So it doesn't have to be a specific amount. You just basically need to add an authorized user, and you're going to get 5,000 points when you make a purchase, or when the authorized user makes a purchase. This is the same type of thing that Chase has with their other credit cards, but you don't have to use the points and redeem it as cash back. You can use it towards doing Chase Ultimate Rewards. So that's pretty cool that you get rewarded for adding a authorized user and just making a purchase. Once again, the purchase could be any amount. It doesn't have to be a specific amount. Just the first purchase will qualify you to get 5,000 more bonus points. This product is available to you if you do not have any Sapphire card and have not received a new card member bonus for any Sapphire card in the past 24 months. So that's important. They definitely want to make sure that they tell you that. And right here talks about getting the 2 times points on travel and dining. We talked about that already. And then, of course, you can earn 1 point per dollar spent on all other purchases. Now, it talks right here, it says 25% more in travel redemption. And this is what I was talking about. Get 25% more value when you redeem for airfare, hotels, car rentals, and cruises through Chase Ultimate Rewards. For example, 50,000 points are worth $625 towards travel. So in other words, instead of 50,000 points being worth $500 because it's 25% more, it's going to be worth $625 towards airfare, hotels, car rentals, and cruises if you go through Chase Ultimate Rewards. So you definitely want to make sure that you do that and take that into consideration, That is why I think that this particular card, or just about all the travel cards that Chase offer, has a lot of value because you're getting a bigger bang for your buck or bigger bang for your bonus points as far as when it's time to redeem. So that's really good. It says explore additional benefits. One-to-one point transfer. So I'll just click on that so you guys can see here. As a member of a frequent travel program with Chase Sapphire Preferred, you can transfer your points to leading frequent travel programs at one-to-one value. So they have a list of airline partners here, as you can see. And of course, there's also hotel travel partners that you can see as well. So that's what that has to do when it talks about one-to-one point transfer ratio. Okay, let's go ahead and go back to the next page. All right, and right here it talks about travel and purchase coverage. Let's click on that. Okay, so right here, basically, they're telling you that you're basically covered. It has a lot of different categories that talks about being able to travel confidently. If your trip is canceled or cut short by sickness, severe weather, and other covered situations, you can be reimbursed up to $10,000 per trip for your prepaid, non-refundable travel expenses, including passenger fares, tours, and hotels. Of course, I'm sure there's some paperwork involved with that or some red tape involved with that, right? So there's probably some more information that you can read up about that to make sure that that would work to your benefit. It says right here on the right, shop with confidence. Purchase protection covers your new purchases for 120 days against damage or theft, up to $500 per claim and $50,000 per account. And right below that says extended warranty protection. Extends the time period of the U.S. manufacturer's warranty by an additional year on eligible warranties of 3 years or less. So that's really powerful. You get an extra year of warranty just by using your Chase Sapphire Preferred Card. Over here on the left, it talks about auto rental collision damage waiver. Decline the rental company's collision insurance and charge the entire rental cost to your card. Coverage is primary and provides reimbursement up to the actual cash value of the vehicle for theft and collision damage for most rental cars in the US and abroad. That's really good to know. It talks right here about baggage delay insurance. Reimburses you for essential purchases like toiletries and clothing for baggage delays over 6 hours by passenger carrier, up to $100 a day for 5 days. So once again, there's a lot of value here. A lot of this value here actually really kind of offsets the fact that this card is going to be $95 after the first year. So the first year is free and the second year and onward is $95. But you're getting a lot of value here, as you can see. The next thing talks about trip delay reimbursement. If your common carrier travel is delayed for more than 12 hours or requires an overnight stay, you and your family are covered for unreimbursed expenses such as meals and lodging, up to $500 per ticket. Once again, value. The next thing talks about travel and emergency assistance services. If you run into a problem away from home, call the benefit administrator for legal and medical referrals or other travel and emergency assistance. You will be responsible for the cost of any goods or services obtained. So, guys, once again, there's a lot of value that this particular card is providing. Of course, there's no foreign transaction fees. So, basically, when you make a purchase outside of the US, you won't be charged a foreign transaction fee. And this part's really cool as well. It talks about the fact that you have access to a customer specialist 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So, this is a great card. I don't know if you can tell that I'm a little biased, but I'm really a fan of Chase and what they're doing and the value that they're offering. Another cool thing about Chase is if you're already a Chase Sapphire Preferred credit card holder, you can earn up to 50,000 bonus points per year. So you can invite somebody to apply for this card, like a referral, and you'll get 10,000 bonus points for each friend who gets the Chase Sapphire Preferred credit card. So that's really cool. Thanks for watching this portion of the video. I'll see you guys back in just 1 second. Okay, thank you for watching this video about the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card. If you like this video, please be sure to give us a thumbs up. It helps our channel quite a bit. And if you want to share this video with somebody that may find it helpful, please feel free to do so. Before I wrap this video up, let me know in the comments below, is the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card a credit card that you're actually interested in getting? Let me know in the comments below and let me know why. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please consider subscribing to the channel because on this channel, we talk about everything you need to know about credit, whether you're looking to establish credit, build credit, rebuild credit, or learn more about the Fico Score and how it is comprised so you can increase your credit score. We also talk about ways to get cash back, actual cash money from using credit cards, and we do credit card reviews. So if this sounds like something in which you're interested, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Once again, my name is Duane with How to Build Credit TV, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.